There's a question posed by Salman Haider, just came on the Facebook. Sir, is life insurance halal? A similar question is asked on the WhatsApp message by Muhammad Tariq from Pakistan. Is it permissible to have life insurance? Life insurance per se is not haram in Islam. Because you have to tie a camel. But today, since most of the life insurance is related with riba, so riba-based life insurance, interest-based life insurance is haram. Because interest is the 12th major sin in Islam. In today's world, most of the life insurance are related with interest and riba-based system. So any life insurance or any insurance, whether it be car insurance, any insurance which is linked with riba or linked with interest, it is haram. What do? They take your money, they take the money from thousands of people, from tens of thousands of people, they pull it together and they take your premium, they put it in a bank or they put it in a money-based instrument where you get fixed money on fixed period of time. And based on the returns they get, they use that returns in taking care of the people, a person who has died or a person who had an accident. So this system based on riba is haram. But we have an Islamic alternative called as takaful. In the takaful system, in the Islamic life insurance system, what they do, the money you give, they invest in a halal investment. It is not riba based, it is halal as per the Islamic Sharia, and the returns they get from this halal based investment, they utilize for taking care of a person had accident or a person died. So if it is an Islamic life insurance based on the takaful, based on the Islamic Sharia, then life insurance per se is halal. But if it's based on a non-Sharia compliant or a riba based or interest based, it is haram.